Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So I'm reading a book called The Dip by Seth Godin. Very interesting book, talking about explaining what this dip is, the challenges and obstacles that make you want to stop from the goal, from accomplishing the goal you're trying to achieve. Now, sometimes he talks about it is a signal that you should quit, maybe go into a different niche or different direction. But other times, it's just the price you're going to need to pay to get to the other side. You know, in a cleaning business, for example, you may be trying to create a very big, noticeable difference between you and your competition. Now, on the other side of that are wonderful things: bigger sales, higher profit margins, a lot of good things, a lot of feelings of pride in what you do, and a real difference between you and others. But to get there, we have to go through this challenging dip, or several of these, to get to the other side. But the question is it worth it? And is the clear vision of what you're trying to do worth it to you? Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.